Welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you're new to the channel, my name's Josiah and I trade stocks and cryptocurrencies for a living. Now, if you hate making money, this is not the channel for you. If you like making money, if you like learning about stocks, crypto, and investing, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, hit that notification bell, and if you really want to get into it, go down, click that bottom link below the video, come over, join us on the Discord. It's the Investors Jumpstart program. We're going to be giving away some free money over there. We've already gave away some, but as this channel grows, we're going to make that a regular thing. No doubt about it, you're going to want to be a part of that. You can bounce ideas off of me and other like-minded individuals. All right, who followed me on Baidu yesterday? Now, I told you Monday I was looking at Baidu, picked that up, got into those for $210 a contract. I got the $123 strike. Yesterday morning, the market opened up. They dropped down. At one point in time, they were up at $580 a contract. Now, I didn't sell there. I actually thought they was going to go lower, and they started coming back up. I finally sold at the $500 mark. Still made 138% on that position. So I hope you were out there. I hope you followed along. I hope you was in on that. And I hope you sold it all the way up there at the top and made even better. But I was super happy with that. 138% in about 18, 19 hours there of holding it. Oh man, I was jumping up and down. I was super excited about that. What happened with the market yesterday? Where do we see the market going today? Well, we had the S&P close down 0.44%, Dow Jones down by 0.17 yesterday, and the Nasdaq down by 0.63%. So we got a little bit of a pullback, nothing major, but we did get a little bit of a pullback. The market's been down all morning this morning. However, it has started turning around and just rallied up recently. We've actually got the market up a little over 0.75% in the pre-market at the time of this video. We've got crypto starting to rally a little bit. So could this market rally on up? We've been talking about this. Where is this market going? There's a lot of great charters out there. And just looking at the charts, I still believe that there's more pain in this market to come. I believe this market's going to come down. However, with that being said, it does not mean that we can't get some little run-ups. Overall, everybody is starting to get really excited that Jerome Powell is going to be pivoting soon. And that with that pivot, the market's going to have more room to run. Now, I think that there's going to be other things come into play. I don't think it's going to work out as smoothly as a lot of people are thinking. I just don't. But the euphoria is very real. And euphoria can definitely drive markets up. We've seen it happen time and time again. So, as Larry Jones always says, you got to trade the market that you're in. But I'm not picking up any long positions on any stocks that's run up. I'm just not doing it. I still believe there's a lot of downside. And if I'm late to the show, if this is the bull run and I'm late to the show, I'm good with that. I'm absolutely okay with that because we're still making money on our short-term trades just like we did Baidu. We're going to keep our eye out for opportunities. And quite frankly, I'm still going to be buying and loading up a lot of positions in shorting the TQQQ because I do still believe this is going to come back down at some point in time. It may run up for a while, but it's got to crash. We've got too many things going on out there in the economy. We talked about this yesterday. We've got too many things happening right now that historically the market has never done well when any one of these things was going on, let alone all of them. So for the bulls to say, hey, this is just going up regardless of everything going on, I'm a chart guy. I do like looking at the charts. I like confirming with the charts. But this is why I say that charts will lie to you. Because if you just went on the charts and looked at the Gaussian channel and looked at past history, that's where a lot of these guys are saying, hey, this market is a bull market and we're running up. But we've seen time and time again, charts will lie. charts only look perfect after you've got the full view. They don't never look perfect when you're looking at that hard right edge. That's why if it did, everyone would make money. I mean, everyone would. Anyone could learn to read a chart and make money if charts was always right. So I want you to be out there. I want you to be safe. I want you out there trading. I want you making money. But if you're picking up long positions right now, be careful and make sure it's not on a bunch of these companies that in the last few, excuse me, we shoot these videos straight through. But make sure it's not on a company that's already run up 60, 80% in the last few months, because there's a very good chance that they're going to have a cool off period and come down pretty soon. Now, what happens if I'm wrong and I'm loading up on all these TQQ puts? Well, I'm going to get wrecked. I mean, I don't think that it's going to run up so much that it's totally going to kill me. But on the other hand, if it does if this market just keeps marching forward, it's going to hurt. There's no doubt I'm going to take a loss. But with that being said, look at where all the big money's at. All the big money is still saying, and this is if we don't really have a big pullback like what I'm talking about. If we were to have a continued bull market and then a cooling off toward the end of the year, all the big money is saying 3,800 to 4,000 on the S&P 500. And that is still a nice little pullback from where we're at. If we drop down to even 4,000 on the S&P, where I've been buying my TQQ puts, chances are I'm going to make money unless it just really drags out till close to the end of those expirations. If we drop down below that, I'm going to make a lot of money. So I am willing to put this money in, knowing that there's a chance, if the bulls are right, that, this market's going to run. But when I look and see where all the big money is betting on this market being, when I look at all the macroeconomics going on out there in the world, I feel comfortable with this. I think that it's one of the safer plays that I can bring to you. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, but the stuff that I talk about on here, I trade a lot more than what I talk about on these videos. But I do that with the knowledge of knowing that it's a little riskier. What I try to bring to you on the channel here is the safest plays that I find each and every day. And for me and what I'm looking at and how I feel, I definitely think that the puts on the TQQQ every time we get a huge run up is one of the safer plays that I can bring to you, because I see this market turning down. That's what I got for you. I hope this was valuable to you. We're going to keep watching. Maybe we'll get another pop out of Baidu today, run it back up in the high 120s, and we'll get another chance to buy in. I'm happy if we keep rolling this thing, buy it up in the upper 120 range, sell it down in the teens. Absolutely loving that. So maybe if you missed it last time, you'll be able to get in on it this time. I want to see you out there making money. So until next time, be blessed, and remember, never trade with your emotions. Always trade by the numbers.